As we journey through life daily, we are faced with different challenges, different obstacles, different successes, different failures, visions and goals. In life journey, many people are not happy because daily they struggle to fit into other people's shoes. Do not let anyone's negative opinion of you become your reality. We must learn to own ourselves, drive our ambition, our hopes and aspiration. We should be in control of our lives, be the drivers of our own vehicle to progress. Learn not to always flow with the wind. People respect those who are positively different. Game changers, firm believers in honesty and what is right. People of good character, goodness, uprightness will always enjoy peace and prosperity. Stop thinking people don't like you because some of them might be dying to be you. Where you are today in life might be someone else's utmost dream. Stand strong. Be the lighthouse standing on top of the rock. You can be the star that has its own place in the sky and is appreciated by all humanity. You can be the rainbow that radiates after the rain, bringing hope and beauty to mankind. You are the light of the world, but remember, none will see your light if hidden. Get up, brace up, shine, for you are wonderful. Focus less on your vanity and focus more on yourself. At the end of it all, you are the one that really matters because you are uniquely you.